100 pesos. Welcome and samahan niyo kami sa aming journey sa La Union. So we joined this 2 days and 1 night open trip. So basically, all we have to do is to show up. The travel time is around 5 to 6 hours, but honestly, it didn't feel that bad kasi natulog lang naman kami sa biyahe. For our first stop, it's Luna Watch Tower. Even though the tower looks old and kind of rusty, this gives a vintage vibe and historic, which perfect for taking photos. Guys, ang ganda rin pala talaga ng tubig dito sa La Union. And it's called Pebble Beach because it's obvious. Instead of sand, pebbles yung makikita mo. Hey, guys. Hello, guys.
Hello.
It's 8:53 and kakain na muna kami ng breakfast kasi kakabukas lang yung kakainin namin ngayon. So after our quick tour around Luna, it's our time for our breakfast. We chose this nearby cafe and that's Lola Minding's Cafe. Meron silang alfresco, so perfect siya kasi makikita at maririnig mo talaga yung dagat. Originally, I ordered tapa, but since it's too early, hindi pa raw siya available. But of course, I ordered rice meal. I would rate this 8 out of 10.
Pancakes and coffee.
As always, hindi mawawala.
Kasi mamamatay ako nang walang kape.
And for the next stop, it's Namakpakan Church, and also known as Namakpakan Cathedral. Dito kami ngayon sa Cathedral sa La Union. This church is dedicated to Our Lady of Namakpakan, who is believed to be miraculous by the locals. To be honest, hindi na ako pumasok sa loob kasi nag-start na yung misa and very limited lang yung time namin na dapat i-spend doon. Tapos na kami pumunta dun sa Watchtower and sa Cathedral. Ang next naman is Bahay na Bato. And sa Bahay na Bato, meron kaming entrance fee for 50 pesos. Let's go! Bahay na Bato is one of the most interesting spots here in Luna. What makes it special is that almost everything here is made from stones and materials found around Luna. That's why it's called Bahay na Bato or House of Stone.
Yeah, let's go. Pasok tayo. What's in here? Yung pati...
Ang cute!
Daming cute things dito. Pero ang galing nila, naisip nila gawin yung roots. Parang siyang si Groot. Do you know who Groot is?
Yeah. We're now entering a stress-free zone. Feeling ko, mawawala stress ko dito.
Mawawala yung stress.
Pag nahulog ka, lalo ka... Ito yung tinuturo. Teo! Pag dito ka umupo, yan.
Kaya pala view deck to.
Ito yung tsura. Nakakawala ng stress. Ate! Isa-side na talaga. Ito may frog.
So yan o, isa, dalawa.
No.
Hindi na itong isa.
Choose your fighter.
So ko syempre ganito.
Diba mas malaki pa sa'yo yan. Sabay sa sapak na yan. Ito po kami sa view deck. Let's go.
Ang ganda dito, guys.
Para ka nasa Greece. Yun.
Kita mo talaga eh.
Go there.
Maniniwala ka talaga na may Jesus.
Sige,
Maniniwala ka
Turn to
talaga
kayo.
na may Jesus. Guys, nakakuha kami pang hilod.
Parang ang ancestral niya. Welcome to Museo to.
Ang cute. Look. Wow. Parang nest to, oh. Tignan mo, parang nest.
But it's light.
Ang cute. Go inside. Ganito TV namin dati. Hindi, pero yung TV namin na lang.
Ipihit.
Parang siyang kuba. Ano tawag dun? Kuba, hindi ba siya flat? And this, dati kayo ito. Parang alam ko sa
Kabayo.
Diba?
Pang plancha.
Wala kasi pamana. Diba? Nalagay-lagay mo lang dyan. What? So amazing. Inside the bahay na bato, you can roam around, take pictures, and explore different corners. Some are funny, some are kind of weird, but all of them are super creative. And by the way, there are small shops inside too, selling souvenirs and snacks. So if you need a quick break or want to buy pasalubong, you can chill there before heading to the next stop. On our way to our transient, we passed by the man-made forest. It's actually a pretty place to take pictures, especially in the middle of the road. Just make sure to watch out for cars or any passing vehicles. After we left our things at the transient, we decided to ride a tricycle going to Kabsat restaurant. We were just so excited because Kabsat is one of the most famous spots here in La Union. Hi guys, nandito kami sa Kabsat and nag-order sila right now. Yung table namin hindi pa nalilinis. Nag-check-in na kami and it's 2:51 now. Ngayon pala kami magla-lunch. I'm gonna show you our views. Look at that. So for our drinks guys, umorder kami ng pineapple juice. And for our food, it's shrimp with crab fat. And this one is ensaladang talong. Hindi daw nakain si Jenny ng ensaladang talong. Magta-try siya ngayon. Let's try new things. Hello guys! Next activity is surfing! Ito kami kay Calvin Surf School and mag-aaral kami ng surfing. Ito first time lang namin lahat.
Mark, yes.
Surfing board?
Softboard.
Softboard
Yeah, ito yung mga ginagamit ng mga first time na katulad nila.
Okay.
So make sure dapat basic muna namin para hindi hindi kayo malalagyan. So, pag sinabi ng instructor nyo na ready position, kamay, side and chest. Ready na. Position. Salud.
Our outfit. I'm gonna show off. It's so good! So we came across with this photo booth, guys. Ay, hi! May CCTV dyan. For 200 pesos. Hindi namin to palalagpasin. Kasi minsan lang kami sa La Union.
Then come on, give this love a boy a try. I'll put this
Guys, look!
Pwedeng scan ko into yung
Oo!
sparkle right back in your eyes.
Lagi muna ako sa nangyari kanina. So, unfortunately, may nangyari kay Igay. Alam niyo ba nangyari kay Igay? Tumama yung board sa legs niya. Hindi na siya nagpatuloy pa. Evicted na si Igay. Beef broccoli, guys. First bite goes always to you. I hope you can hear me, guys.
Masdan mo aking mata. Di mo ba
Today, wala kami masyadong gagawin. Swimming lang talaga kami. Talagang in-spend namin yung time ng lahat ng activities sa morning. Sa last day. Para this time, just that time na lang.
kita? Ako ngayon lumilipad at nasa langit na. Gusto mo bang
Every trip is not complete kung walang pasalubong. Come here. Ito. Ang daming pasalubong dito. Iba't ibang klase.
Dried pusit.
Dried pusit. Ito. Ah, ito yung labahita. Buli. Tama, Bolino. Sa Bolino marami sa amin yan. Pero for now, di ako bibili. Sa amin kasi, dami namin ganyan. Kada uwi kaming Bicol. Sabi ko may free taste, so may free taste sila ate. Ang gamit niya ay sukang pinakurat. Pinakurat. Oh, wanna try it.
Mainit talaga.
Sarap ng suka. Ang sarap naman ng suka na to. Ito, unfortunately, walang grapes sa grape farm. Pero nandito tayo sa grape farm. Meron sila dito free taste. Titikman natin. Oo. Nakaka-confuse. Ah, hinahaluan ng alcohol.
Ay, masarap.
Ano po yung mga yan?
Yung may halo po.
Hindi.
Mga juice po siya, ma'am. Ito
Ah,
po
juice
yung
po
wine
siya lahat. Ah, tapos hahaluan lang
Yes
siya.
po, kung gusto niyo.
Ah, okay.
Mangosteen po.
Yung may juice mo.
Mangosteen.
Kung gusto niyo po mamitas, may basket po tayo dyan. Red at saka black po yung ubas natin.
Magkano yung ganyan, kuya?
200 per bottle
Mangosteen
po
to,
yung
no?
ubas natin.
Mangosteen.
300 po natin. 300 po yung
Palagyan
wine
natin
po
din
natin.
ng
Pero
alcohol.
malaki po yung wine.
Yung
Ito po yung wine natin, ma'am. Mga ganito po yung wine.
Blueberry.
Blueberry.
Blueberry to.
This one for the boys with the
Blueberry.
Ano pa po? Guyabano po.
halo ng...
Ay, ano po ba yun?
Ang halo po ng guyabano po, yung wine po siya.
Ah, okay. Pure blueberry to. Wow. This one is wine, mismo. Ito yung wine mismo, guys.
Pwede ba yung kuya ban?
Try na lang po. Pwede.
Kuya, blueberry pati.
Ano yung ata yan?
Blueberry ba?
Sa mata at sa kidney po yan, sa mga may kidney.
Ay, sa kidney, sakto sa'yo.
Wow!
Nakakalasing po ba to?
Yung wine po, nakakalasing.
Ito guys, masarap po.
Try nila yung ano.
Yung mangosteen, good for...
Ito yung binibili, ito yung hinahalo. Tama, sa wine po.
Yes.
Ito yung hinahalo.
Yung wine,
Yung grapes.
ito yung mga wine.
So, may gagawin daw si Joe.
Let's go. May nakita akong kamag-anak ko.
Hoy! Hala, super cute!
Ang alam ko bawal yung anihin kasi...
Hi!
Bakit mo naman?
Hala, meron siyang pututoy, be.
Nakita niya ba?
Pututoy ba yan?
Ito yung nasa baba niya.
Hindi, ito, pututoy, gaga. Nakanganga siya.
Anong pangalan mo? Hello.
Interviewin mo sila.
Kumakain ka ba ng banana? Kamag-anak mo ba yung
Baka biglang dakotin ka niya ate ah. Huwag ka masyado lumapit.